Powercolor Red Devil Vega 64 unboxing. I have had these for about a month and a half now. I got them just before Christmas time. I got 2 before Christmas and 1 after. Right now I have 3 of these in total. These are the Vega 64 version. You can see my box says Dataland. Dataland is Powercolor in China. It has a BIOS switch with 3 modes: silent mode, standard mode, and boost clock mode. It has a nice thick heatsink, nice backplate. They advertised this to have stronger MOSFETs and 12 power phases. I'll go ahead and open the box. Inside is a beautiful cardboard box. Open that up. Take out the foam on the top. And there it is. I'll take out the GPU. Inside is the regular stuff: Devil card, instructions, driver DVD. These instructions are all in Chinese, so not like I would need them anyway. Garbage. Put that all in the box, get the box off the table. Remove the GPU from the bag. And there it is. Red Devil. Nice backplate. Nice 3 fans. Great thick heatsink. Really awesome looking card. Very similar to the RX 580 Red Devils. You can see Devil there on the side. Here is the 3-mode BIOS switch. Here is a switch to control the Devil LED on the side of the card. Dual 8-pin headers. You can see the tachometer. Nice Red Devil. Very thick heatsink. For display outputs, we got 2 HDMI and 2 DisplayPort outputs, and no DVI output on this, which I think is great because I never use that anyway. We can quickly compare the card to an RX 580 Red Devil Golden sample. You can see how much longer the Vega 64 is. Both are nice and thick, fat cards. And the sides look very similar. Both say Devil. The Vega 64 is just a little bit longer. Here we can see the Devil 64 compared to a reference card. This is an XFX reference card. So again, longer, thicker heatsink. This Devil is definitely one beast of a card. Cooling wise, it does cool much better than the reference card. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped, and thanks for watching.